Ito mag-interview.
Oh, first day namin ngayon. Mga naka-eyelash sila guys. Talo kami. Naka-eyelash yan.
Extension.
Perfect kasi yan kasi. Wala. Wala.
Wait lang, sali ako dyan.
So, pa-vlog ko lang ito. As our first day, tapos magmamang interview lang daw kami. And lesson.
Sabi ko,
Ang dagdalo. Gabi lang yung mga mata neto, mga naka-eyelash.
ako naka-eyelash naman.
Tapos sa akin. Sabihin ko daw yung mga tanong. E di nagalit yung mga ano sa akin kasi sinabi ko yung tanong. Kasi basta pag first day, gagawin yung mga... Mukha lang po. Ayun, so thank you sa moment of silence. Tapos na interview. Break. It's our break. Video lang ako. I-wide mo na, i-wide mo.
Guys, picture tayo. Okay lang. Picture tayo. Game. One, hindi. Ano to? Picture. Game. 1, 2, 3. Ay, wait lang. 1. Kita ba lahat?
Second day.
Hindi na rin kayo.
Second
Pero
day.
hindi ko siya, malay ko si Rian.
So, ayun yung mga makeup na gagamitin for makeup class.
Other instructors are from middle finger. Last class, everybody was feeling unwell.
Wow! Nox!
Saan mo nga sa ano? Saan mo? Misan na po yung ginamit.
My smile too.
Smile daw, smile! You're the
Why are you not smiling at yourself? RBFs, take your seats. Oh my God, wala sa nagpasalamat.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm from Philippines.
Hand position. Okay, good.
Mabuhay! I am Rosala Tanas from Philippine Airlines.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Princess Sheila May from M. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Step by step, what to do next.
Kita nyo naman yung mga kagrupo ko sa likod. Yan sila. Rachel, si Kayla, si Diana, si Shinaya. Video. Aminin nyo lang. So physically is my head, shoulders, knees, and
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3.
Saan?
Certified Provinciano. Who's Wait, Bisaya pala? Who are from the province?
Ikaw muna, sir. I can speak English and Tagalog, and my batch number was 24 and 24. So the one line will be assigned to Miss Nina, and the 3 wheelchair will be assigned to Miss Jazz. Got it? Got it. Thank you, guys.
Hindi sila makakapag-picture kasi. Joyride. Hi, po. Hey.
Ate na yung pinagad.
Ang dami yung minapagsabi. Ikaw muna, sir.
Bento.
So, makalipas ng isa ng umaga.
Nasaan ba talaga yung exits mo? Hindi pwede gaganon-ganon na.
May pagkasapon. Pag madami talaga sa labas.
PA check. Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, please direct your attention to the flight attendants in front of you, who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a belt. To fasten, simply push ends together. Pull the strap to adjust. To unfasten, just lift the top of the buckle and carefully before takeoff. Thank you for your attention.
PA check. Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, please direct your attention to the flight attendants in front of you who will demonstrate the safety feature of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, simply push end together. Pull the strap to adjust. To unfasten, just lift the top of buckle and pull free end to release. Life vest is located under your seat. To use, bring the strap around your waist and secure the buckle. Pull the strap to tighten. As you leave the vest by pulling the red tab at the bottom of the vest. Blow into the tube to increase air and push pin inward to release air. In case of decompression, oxygen mask will automatically sit. Pull the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic head and tighten by pulling the end of the column and breathe normally. These are the 2 doors at the front, 2 at each side of overwing exits. The floor proximity lights to the nearest are in the seat pockets in front of you. These are off. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you.
Yun ang kamatay.
Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, maganda bang itikot ng go? Wala tayong A ngayon eh. A ka muna. A!
O, A muna kayo.
A! Wala pa mga person. Are you okay? Hey, are you okay? 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007. Begin the compression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. In the recovery position. Good job. Good job, Mayara. Okay, good job. Yung mga naka... A ka muna. A! Ay! Parang may miss daw eh. Go! A ka muna!
pogi, pag pogi pa ni CPR. Kiss mo nga, paano kiss? Paano kiss? Wow!
Carrying muna tayo Break spring back.
Bend over, stay down, bend over, stay down, bend over, stay down.
Backward, backward.
Sila na lang dalawa. Isa lang na daw.
Bend over, stay down, bend over, stay down, bend over, stay down, bend over,
Bend over, stay down. Bend over, stay down. Bend over, stay down.
Eh, ikaw muna. Eh!
Forward please and cross check. Cross check. Open your door. Clear. Open. Very good. Alright. Good job. You may now close the door. Alright. Good job.
Open seatbelts, 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 open seatbelts.
Water.
Come this way, step in.
Ready?
Bend over, stay down, bend over, stay down,
This is
bend
the
over,
captain.
stay down.
Evacuate.
Open seatbelts, 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 open seatbelts. Come this way, jump, jump, come this way, jump, jump, come this way,
Very
jump,
good.
jump.
Perfect. 10. Good job. Please close the door.
Go!
So, the flight attendants should be one step ahead and then
Excuse us, passing. Excuse us, passing.
very good.
Emergency bend!
Review ang mga person. Nakuha isa. Magkakatabi ay magkakatabi. Ay, kahit ano na. Go. Go, kuha. Kuha. Kuha lang.
Bakit na ito? Hindi ko alam ito. Saan ba ito?
Beta tayo. Kuha. Ayaw nyo, ayaw nyo.
Akin na to. Ano to? 5-4? 5-8.
3F, ito.
Ano number ba?
6E.
Baliktad ba yun?
Welcome announcement for sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Mabuhay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Mabuhay! Huwag ka mabuhay! Hindi, huwag na. Wala ko. Thank you. Mabuhay! 4.
I'm glad to hear that. Do you have any?
Today we have a selection of foods. We have chicken rice and
We
beef
have
noodles.
here chicken noodles.
Would you like food?
Chicken with rice is with beef noodles.
Excellent choice.
Kumakain pa ako.
Joshua, what?
Table, ma'am, please. Ma'am, clear table.
Hi, good luck on your baby, ma'am. May mabuntis ako.
Saan po ako? Parehas kami ng number. Over your head and tighten, but pulling the end of the straw. Remain calm. All calm. Each seat is provided with a belt. To fasten.
Smile kayo, smile.
Boarding pass. Yan.
Take your seats for
For your safety, please
excellent choice.
What do you want, ma'am? Beef with noodles or chicken?
Some beverages. We have orange juice, apple juice, Coke, Sprite, and water.
Pakisabihan naman to, oh.
Okay, mama.
Anong kagda? Tignan mo.
Oh,
Naaaway.
bakit tuturo? Pakisabihan nyo to.
on the presentation, but we are currently working our way towards what
To fasten, simply push ends together. Pull the strap to adjust. To unfasten, just leave the top of buckle and pull free end to release. Under your seat. To use, remove the bring the strap, pull the strap to tighten. Best by pulling the red tab at the bottom of the vest. To manually nut and push pin inward to release air. Special life vests are fully dropped from the compartments above your seat. Head and tighten by pulling the end. Remain calm and breathe normally. Secure at each side of the overbreathing lines to the nearest exit. Please squeeze them carefully before you. Thank you for your help.
Thank you. Oh, that's nice.
She can do it.
So I hope you have Sprite, Coke.
I think I'm gonna be having Sprite.
Ma'am, because it is really good.
As well. So I was feeling grateful po for this opportunity na na-experience namin maging flight attendant. So na-feel ko na FA na talaga ako. And I would like to say thank you to my team since
kahit na ganun, may cooperation pa rin. And we never let our smile down. So, yun.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. My reducer.
You guys would be able and willing to help.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So, if you guys have any questions,
Sabihan niyo to.
there's no reason.
Okay, ma'am. So compliment your bake, would you like some water, drinks, or juice, ma'am? Would you like with ice? Yes. Okay, ma'am. That would be great. So you can order the ice, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So I hope you had a vacation there in this any assistance. Okay. You should be able to. Pwede daw. Sister, pwede daw.
Pwede ibigay?
Hindi, pwede makasali daw.
Alin? Ikaw na eh. Kinikilig siya.
Ma'am, di lang sa...
Oh my God, what's happening? What's that? What's that? What's that?
You're inspired!
Oh my God!
Blooming.
Okay, let's listen.
Nalito na po ako nung sa, yung sa all-call po, tapos na. Tapos bigla akong nalito sa,
Bakit hindi ka
R1? Bigla po akong nalito sa,
Happy birthday to you.
Sa'yo ang handa.
First of all, I would like to congratulate everyone. I'm really very impressed on your performance.
Culminating
The whole good.
Perfect ka? Oh my God!
Jasmine.
45.
Jasmine.
Oh my God!
Christine.
40 ang pag-review. Hindi ako. Bakit? 45. Bakit? 45. Bakit?
Ashley.
Ang bobo. Oh my God! Sino umalis na?
Janelle.
Nakaabot pa sa nakilala.
1, 2, 3. Ikaw muna.
Rosal, wala tayong picture dito nakaganto.
Miss, pwede mag-picture.
Pakilipat to doon, pakilipat.
Okay, ma'am.
Anong countdown? Tignan mo, nangaaway. Ang pangit.
Sabihan niyo to.
Hindi, nangaaway.
There's no reason to like go to the camp.
Because the passion in me learning different instruments, I can bring this passion.
Yes. But the thing is, why are you just saying it now? You just have...
Actually, Sandy.
4:26. Parang gano'n. Tapos, wala daw akong mararating sa pilit.
So what? May sasabihin ako sa'yo. Saan nagsabi? Kumainay. Ikaw pala makakaalam. Oh my God! Deserve mo naman kayo. Mayora. May pagayan.
I think we should board
Kasama yung mata. Go for it.
Well, first of all, good afternoon, everyone.
May extra bayad daw yun.
Pero pinatunayan ko yun. Kasi ganun din yung sinasabi sa akin ng nanay ng ex ko. Na wala daw akong mararating. Ay, dapat nag-alaga ka na lang ng anak mo. Ganito, ganyan. Kahit yung mga anak ko sinasabihan niya ng ganun na.
Yung video of how to answer flight attendant interview.
Okay.
Sinabi naman.
Pinag-increase pa din. Oh, solo. Oh, A ka muna, A. Tuman eh, A. Oh, A ka muna, A. A ka muna, A. 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 Oh, A. Mga automatic smile, Hindi ka kasi sinabi mga mamapa. Sakto rin siya. Ito lang naman pag yung pangalan ko.
Alright? Kami, ano ang gusto natin mga instructions, and lahat, si Mayora, no? Talagang miyak-miyak, si Mayora, sa Verify. And thank you very much for being so cooperative, so pleasant. And
Okay lang mamahinga, mapagod, madapa, umiyak, everything. But make sure to stand up again and keep on going forward. Yun lang ang iba. Walang konting dasal kailangan yan kasama ng inyong effort. Ha? So,
Ito, picture mo na lang ito. Okay.
Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile! 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, ay.
Flight attendants.
Go, Mayora!
Love you, Mayora!
Ba ako?
Michael.
every one of you, as well as to our professors or proctors, Miss Jen, Miss Paz, and as well as to Mr. Gallant. And hi everyone, so it feels surreal to stand here in front of you as a valedictorian. Joke lang. But I would like to congratulate you all since, you know, for the past few weeks, syempre hindi pa natin kilala lahat, parang strangers, di ba? Pero when we come here, parang meron na tayong connection sa isa't isa. So parang magkakilala na tayo for about a long time, and also we have that connection and we feel like a family. So ngayon, napakahirap let go kahit na 12 days lang tayo nagsama-sama. And alam kong napipil niyo yun within AM and PM class. Wait lang, hindi ako yun. Thank you, syempre binigyan tayo ni Lord ng opportunity para makapagsama-sama tayo. Thank you din sa nanay ko. Syempre, kahit wala siya dito, siya yung nagpabibigay ng tuition sa akin. And also, ko lang sabihin na sana pag-alis natin dito, hindi pa rin mawala yung friendship, yung connection na na-build natin sa isa't isa. Ngayon parang nagsisig sa akin na hindi na tayo makikita sa isang simulator, sa isang classroom. So, feeling ko makikita na tayo in the future sa aisle ng totoong airplane na, di ba? And in God's name, first na.
May outing pa tayo.
Kung bakit tayo pumasok dito sa PTC. Each and every one of you, as well as to our teacher here, to please surround Mr. Learning, and yun lang. So, until our last days, and I want to say that Padayon Future Flight Attendants, thank you. Once again, I'm Rose Montanas and class valedictorian. Thank you. Thank you so much, Rose, for the time.
Wow, naman si Roswell. 1, 2, 3.
Nasa KFC kami, guys. Hey! Masama magsama-sama. Parang wala kasi wala.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Hey! Check. Oh, isa pang check. Hey! May pala kayo dyan? Isa pa!
Wala ka.
So, ano talaga? Wala na, tapos na.
Tapos Di mo pa rin pinapatok.
Smile muna kayo.
Sino yung natin yun?
Sama. Pati pa kayo mo.
Good morning po. po. Good morning po.
Good morning, beautiful people.
Ay! Beautiful people. Sorry. Rice only. Ano? Hindi pa rin pwede.
Depende kung kaya siguro. Hindi ko kaya nung wala.
Director! Isa pa. Isa pa.
You want wrong! Ang pag ano niya.
Yes. Ganda ng sky. Okay, then ipapan ko. Kaway kayo.
Don't forget.
Fire in the galley, in 4 flight deck, get back up.
Ayun.
Saan yung fire out?
One more. Okay, so please listen. Here, master.
Video. Baka manunod pa tayo dito.
Labas ka na. Ano ma'am? Ikaw, ayos ka na? Baka may mutot ka.
Yes, mga activity na yun.
Hindi, meron pa doon.
Hi! Hey, hi!
Sama ka, kasama ka.
Dito. Hey, halika dito.
Bakit? Nag-video ka eh. Nag-video ka mag-isa eh. Ang ganda dito, Gagi.
Dito.
Ay, kuya. Shali pa.
Just bababa tayo. 1, 2.
Ay,
Yan yung white po sa taas.
1, 2, 3.
Niloloko niyo ako.
May kumunik na po ba?
Hello.
Ako. At parang unang
makapagladlad ng buhok sa PTC.
Hindi natin. Hindi ako lumabas din. Ako kasi pinakahuli.
Oh, last picture!
Miss, mag-lipas ikaw sa mga. Sabi mo kasama ko.
Okay na, baby.
Ay, ang dami. Kanina ka lang sila. Ulit ako. One, two, smile.